YouTubers, how you doing? Okay, I decided that I was going to show you guys what I make for breakfast every day. So let me show you here. Right now, I am cooking up some asparagus. I'm just cooking it in some low-fat margarine right now, just a tablespoon, or a little under a tablespoon. I'm just softening it up in there. I like my asparagus to be a little bit chewy. I don't like it soggy. So I cut up some asparagus. That's like 4 little sprigs of asparagus. I also cut up some tomato, and I'm going to throw that in there. I've got some low-fat cottage cheese in my bowl. I'm going to add some mushrooms to it, and it is going to be freaking delicious! Mushrooms and tomatoes and asparagus have almost no calories. Okay, but it can really bulk up your food in the morning when you want to have a good hearty breakfast to get you through the day. I feel like breakfast should be one of those meals where it's nice and hearty, you know, that it gives you some energy for the day. So right now I just put the mushrooms and the tomatoes in there. Now I just got to stir it up. Get this cooking nice and even here. Get it coated. I know I should be using olive oil instead of margarine, but for my breakfast I usually use margarine, and then for the rest of the day whenever I'm making something I use olive oil. This is my one indulgent thing in the morning here. Oh, look how colorful and pretty that is. Alright, I gotta add some spices. Alright, I'm gonna add a little garlic powder. And let's see what else I got up here in the spice drawer. I got a lot of spices. I cook a lot. I'm gonna add some onion powder. Delicious. I don't add a lot of salt, just a little tiny bit of salt. And I'm going to add some black pepper too. I'm going to just throw some black pepper in there. Black pepper in there. But I gotta turn off the camera to do that because it's one of those twisty things. All right, I got my grated pepper in there. Or grinded pepper, sorry, grinded pepper. Just mix that up. Alright, now we are ready for egg. Boom, shakalaka, there's the egg. Alright, and we're going to, I'm going to let this cook a little bit so it gets a little bit hard, and then I'm going to mix it all up. So we'll let that happen. Alright, the egg is starting to cook now, so I'm going to wind it up and break those yolks apart and get everything all mixed in here. Get off of there, you little son of a... whatever. Okay, so I'm stirring it up. 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 Okay. Oh my gosh. Go. I just want to get it so it's not liquidy. I'll let that sit for a minute here. Cook up a little bit more. Alright, that's the way, we like it, Alright, I added a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese to it because I'm fancy, and now we are ready to eat it. Alright, so that's what I eat just about every single day. I switch it up here and there, but for the most part, that's what I eat. And let me get you a calorie count on that. So it's only 298 calories. It's really filling. You don't get hungry halfway through the morning. And it's delicious. So give it a shot, guys. Love you. Bye.